So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the standalone version of Video Commando, and also how you go about just creating a very simple page with the video on the page. Now here I have the Video Commando standalone zip file, which you would have downloaded. So let me unzip this into its own folder. And if you go into the folder, you can see a few files, and the first thing that you want to do is to open this passwordprotect.php file in your text editor. So here it is, and what you need to do is to set up your login and password. So if you go over to around line 52 of the text file, you can see that I've already set up two accounts, one for Ali, one for admin, and the password for Ali is simply Ali. The password for admin is admin pass. So let's say you want to set this up for someone else, say John. Let's give it a really simple password, 1 2 3 4 5. So you get the idea, and you can see that what this allows you to do is you can set up multiple accounts, one for each client. If you want to offer this Video Commando as a service to your clients, you can simply set up one account for each client. But for this example, I just leave this as it is. And if you go back to my folder, what you want to do next is to copy everything in the folder and upload all these files onto your server. So it's currently uploading, and this will take a little bit of time. So I'm just going to pause the video, and then I'll come back when the files have all finished uploading. Okay, we're back, and you can see that I've uploaded all my files onto my server. And so just come over to my browser, and so this is where I uploaded my files into a folder called vidtest under my main domain. So if I refresh this page, you can see that you have to enter your login and password. So if I put John and a wrong password to show you that I can't get in, I put John with the right password, 1 2 3 4 5, then I can successfully log in. And so here's the Ali's Video Commando settings page, and you're probably familiar with this because it is exactly the same as the one in the WordPress version as well. But I'll just quickly go through an example with you. So let's say I have a YouTube link, which I do, and I just leave it as defaults. I'll leave everything else to their defaults. Actually I might just enable the button 15 seconds, maybe get instant access, and I'll just paste in a link. So this should be your payment link, but I'll just put in the Google website, and I've generated code, and now I'm just copying and pasting it into a very simple HTML file in my case. So you can see it's got nothing except for HTML body, and I'll paste the code right in there and I'll save it. And then if I come to my page and I refresh this, yep, so that's my video, and let's just play it. Yep, so it's now playing successfully, and just make sure that the buy now button appears at the right time, which is, I believe, are set to 15 seconds. So there it is. So if you reverse, the button disappears. Fast forward, appears again because it's beyond 15 seconds. Alright, so that all seems to be working, and you can just play around with the other settings. If you have difficulty, just re-watch the video about the WordPress version, because all these settings are really the same as the WordPress version. And so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next videos.